I'm Sava and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we have part 2 of our apple cookie recipe video. Now before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Well, if you guys haven't seen it already, make sure to check out part 1 of this apple cookie recipe video. Now this one is going to be definitely much simpler than this one that we have right here, but make sure and go to check that one out first. So just like I said in my previous videos, it's going to be a great, nice, and healthy snack for you guys, and especially since it's fall, I know everybody's out picking apples, and you're going to have so many that you're just not going to know what to do with. So you can go ahead and make these apple cookies, you can go ahead and make my stovetop apple cinnamon recipe video, you can go ahead and make my healthy mini apple pie recipe video. The options are just endless. So for today, what we're going to do is instead of using our apple core like we did in the other video, we're going to slice them this time and then remove the core afterwards. So we want to start slicing. You're going to want to obviously try to slice these in as even of a slice as possible. Okay, so don't judge me. I don't know if this is a real hack or not, but I'm using a metal, stainless steel funnel to just core out my apples just because it's easier for me. See? I'm sensing judgment. Don't judge. Okay, so then all we're going to do from here is just line up our apples. And then we're just going to use almond butter this time. And we're just going to coat the one side of it. Now again, like I said in my other video, this is a great recipe for little ones, if you're babysitting, if you've got little ones at home, just to get them involved in, because it's harmless. You can use a spoon, you don't even need to have them cut it, you can cut it for them. And in my experience, kids are more likely to be eating healthy things if they're the ones helping prepare it, because it's something that they did and they made, so it's just more likely for them to eat it. Now, if you haven't seen it already, make sure to go check out my homemade almond butter recipe video too. I have one where I used whole almonds like this, and then I also have one where I used blanched almonds. If you don't know how to blanch almonds, it's super, super easy. It literally takes 5 minutes. I have a video on that too, and I can make sure to link that on the screen or somewhere in the description box. Okay, so all of our almond butter has been put on. Look at this little baby slice. Hold on, I gotta show you guys. This little lonely one. So all of our almond butter has been put on. Now it's time for almonds. So you can slice them, you can put, these are my blanched almonds I was talking about. You can put blanched almonds, you can put whole almonds, you can put whatever kind of nut that you want. You can put peanuts on there. I'm just going to kind of put a mixture because I'm feeling fancy. So we're going to put some of those. We'll put some of these for a little more crunch. These are unsalted, by the way. Get a ton of protein in here. And these will be really fun for the little ones to decorate too. But this is great for if you want just a quick little protein snack after you work out, before you work out. If you want a snack, you want something a little bit sweet, but it's healthy. Now, obviously these are optional, but I'm going to add some chocolate chips because, you know, why not? Try to keep them all even just because that's me. I'm anal. If you have any left over, you can't have any uneven chocolate chips on your apples. And finally, some coconut flakes. Now, I'm not a crazy coconut person, but this does make a difference, and I think you guys will really like it. If you don't like it, or if you're allergic or whatever it is, you can totally omit this part. Oh, wait. Okay guys, now you should have something that looks like this. Now, I saved a little mini one over here, the little lonely apple. I'm gonna try this one. Okay. Crunch. Oof, so good, you guys. I almost think I like the almond butter one more than the peanut butter one. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely try both of them and comment on this video if you like the almond butter cookie recipe video better, or comment on my other video if you like the peanut butter apple cookie recipe better. But nevertheless, this is such an easy, simple, healthy recipe for you guys. Whether this is for kids, whether this is just for a light snack, whether this is before the gym, after the gym, just something nice and sweet and protein packed with some nuts and a little bit of chocolate chips. Didn't hurt anybody. It's super, super delicious. Well, that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.